Hello friends, this is my daughter Hia who is very much fond of cooking.
Hello everyone and welcome back to ABCD World of Kitchen. Today we are going to make eggless, flourless, oilless cake. So let's get started. The core ingredient for this recipe is nothing but biscuits. So you are going to need 300 gram of biscuits. It can be any type of biscuits. It can be broken biscuits or fresh biscuits, any type of biscuits. So we are going to measure our biscuits. We have 300 grams of biscuits, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 5 tablespoons of sugar. Your mom to grind it for you. Grind it well in a mixie with the help of an adult. Meanwhile, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to 1 tablespoon of yogurt to activate it. This is quarter spoon, so I am going to add 4 times. Mix this. Mix our yogurt and baking soda mixture. Now we can add our 1 cup of heated milk to this biscuit mixture. Now we can mix our batter. You should only stir it from one side so that the air bubbles doesn't go. Stir it well. Our batter looks very nice. Now we can add our yogurt and baking soda mixture. Stir it well. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. to stir it well and make sure to stir it from one side. If your batter is too thick like mine, you can just add little more milk and keep stirring. First add little milk and stir it. Add little by little and mix it so that you know when it's ready. You can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk. Now we can add a pinch of coffee powder to enhance the flavors of the chocolate. Now our batter is perfect. Now it's time to prepare our cake tin for the batter. Now it's time to prepare our pan. Take a stick of butter. You only need a little amount of it. Take a brush and you can brush it. Spread it all over the pan. Okay, now brush it all over the pan, at the sides and at the bottom. You can also do it with hands, but I like to do it like this. You can also add a pinch of flour everywhere. Dust it everywhere. If you add a little bit of flour, your batter, your cake will not get sticky. A little bit everywhere. You just want to dust it all over the sides. Like this. You should only fill the 3/4 of it. Our batter is very creamy and beautiful. Our cake batter looks amazing. Take all the batter from the bowl and transfer it to the cake tin. Tap so that the air bubbles will go. Before we fill our cake tins, we have to preheat the oven for 200 degrees heated. Tell your mom to preheat the oven for 200 degrees and bake it for 180 to 30 to 40 minutes. See how our cake looks. Let's flip it over. Wow. Let's see how our cake looks. Now it's time to decorate. decorate. You can use any type of toppings you like. I personally like strawberries and sprinkles. I choose white sprinkles. You can use any sprinkles you want. Our cake is super moist. It is very soft and smooth. It's very soft.